So this guide rail is in my shed for a while. I bought it in an offer for around 8 or 9 euros, and I never used it. I unpacked it and just forgot to film it. So I'm gonna show you now. Let's take a look at the clamp function. It's a very proper clamp. Feels very strong. And this can move sideways, so you can cut in a slight angle, or just for fine adjustment. The other one also. And this is the only Parkside logo on the guide rail. Comes from another manufacturer than the other Parkside tools. I don't know. There is this hanging point, which you can easily store it in your shed. Test with a jigsaw, if I can make a straight cut, if it's usable with a jigsaw. So let's clamp it on. These buttons here, which you can push and then you can slide it. Very responsive. You can tighten it up like this. Then when you push this down, it locked. And it's very proper, very tight. Just push it and then you can slide it like that. Okay. And that's very tight. So let's set it to 10 centimeters here. Make a cut with a jigsaw, and I put the camera in this angle so you can see if there is any movement. That's a pretty straight cut for a jigsaw. Now unclamp it. Let me show you how straight this cut is. Crazy. Crazy, so straight. Very nice. I realized I used the wrong saw blade, but it doesn't matter. It's about how straight it can cut. And it's pretty straight. So yes, very handy. Very nice. Well, I hope I did show you the product in a good way. Please have your own thoughts about it. Drop me a comment. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.